and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and beautiful abstract painting. Before going into the DIY, not just this, we have many more interesting educational DIY kits in our website sparklebox.co.in. So do visit our website and grab some interesting educational kits for yourself. The materials required are acrylic colors, painting brush, scale, pencil and an A4 sheet. Let's take an A4 sheet and make lines on it as shown. Favorite colors and paint them as shown. Brush and draw different types of shapes or designs on the sheet. So you can draw a circle, triangle, star or a rainbow, butterflies, anything you wish. let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel Sparklebox.